Hey there, welcome. In this quick tutorial, we're going to show you how to make a playlist on YouTube. It's super easy and we make sure you get it right. Just make sure you are logged in and using the latest version. Make sure to watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. So let's get started. First you have to open YouTube, then click on lower right corner. From here you see playlist option. Now slide. Here click on new playlist. Select any video you want to add in playlist. Now click on next. Now choose the name of your new playlist. You can type any name. From doing this you create a new playlist on YouTube. I hope you found value in this video. Also please consider showing your support by commenting, liking and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck.